And if you think you guys need to do a 30-minute workout in order for it to be considered a workout, you are wrong. Today we're going to be doing a 10-minute morning workout. This is for the person that is so super busy or maybe has not committed to doing 50 minutes of Pilates. This is beginner to intermediate. I will show you guys exactly how to advance this if you want to make this more challenging. And if you are more on the beginner level, I will show you guys how to keep it beginner level so that you can work your way up. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's begin with a warm-up. We'll come down to our knees and we'll go into some cat-cow. So go ahead and go on all fours. I want your toes to be tucked slightly under so they're not pointed like this. They are tucked. Hands are directly underneath our shoulders. We'll take an inhale. As we inhale, we round the spine, bring the eyes towards your thighs. Inhale. And we'll exhale to look all the way up. Keeping the belly still drawn in. And round to come all the way up. Try to keep the weight right in that center instead of moving back or forth. And exhale to look all the way up. Really exaggerate the movement. Feel the spine going into a nice C curve. And drop to look up. And inhale. Round, round, round. And as we drop the belly this last time, I want you to maintain that arch in the back. Stop right here. And I want you to just wag your booty from left to right. I was like, do I say glutes? What do I say? Just left to right. Moving the spine laterally. Still keeping that core nice and tight. Bring the tops of our feet to the mat. And I want you to press back into your child's pose, trying to get the glutes to your feet, the heels of your feet. Drop the chest to the ground. Remember your breath. And round the spine back up to all fours. Nice. Look all the way up. Breathe. Round the spine back. Angry cat. Sit the hips back. Right onto your heels. Nice. Try to drop the chest. Bring the armpits to the mat to your best ability. And let's do one more. Inhale. Lift that spine. Lift the chest. Lift the body. Angry cat. And drop to your cow. Look all the way up. Since we're already here, I want you to go ahead and tuck your toes under. And I want you to slightly lift the knees up and lower. We're going to lift. We're going into our bear hovers and lower. Keep the core nice and tight. So even though we're doing this, we're not dropping the stomach. We're keeping it tight and we're lifting and lowering. And up and down. Beautiful. Up and down. Nice. And down. Inhale to lift and exhale to lower. Press the ground away. Press those palms into the mat. Maintaining that push. So we're pushing our shoulder blades up to the ceiling and we're lowering the knees down. Keeping that core tight and down. We're here for 2. And last one, we hold up. I want you to walk the right leg back, walk the left leg back, come into your high plank. Bring the right leg back into that bear hover, bring the left leg back. Woo! Kind of hard to talk and do this at the same time. And back. Maintain a nice steady pelvis. And back. I'm warmed up. And back. Last one. Keep pressing that ground away. You should feel some activation in your shoulders, your core. Stop here. Drop the knees. Sit back into your child's pose. Come all the way back up. Tuck the toes under. We lift. We come back into that plank. We lift the leg up. Bring the leg down. Walk the legs back into that bear hover. Walk the legs back down into that plank. Lift the left leg. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it back. Bring it back. Lift that right leg. Nice. Back to bear hover. Walk the legs back. Lift that left leg. Nice. Walk the legs back to bear hover. One more on each side. Bring the right leg up, and one more on the left side. Back to bear hover. Lift the left. Bear hover. Drop. Come over onto your backs. Look at this. I wore makeup today. I don't know why I did it, but I'm sweating it off. Hold all the way down to your back. I want your arms to be nice and long by your side. Fingertips are reaching long. Bring your left leg into tabletop. Have your right leg come to meet it. And I want you to focus on eliminating this little gap. If you do have a little gap right here, I want you to tuck that tailbone under. So kind of rolling your pelvis this way. Maintain that. Keep the ribs together. Slightly imprint the lower spine into the mat. I want you to bring the arms up towards the ceiling. Palms are facing each other. We'll take an inhale. We'll exhale. We'll lift the head and chest and bring the arms up and down by our side. We'll come all the way back and back to our starting point. Take an inhale. Exhale to reach. Inhale to bring it back to our starting position. And exhale to lift. Lifting those shoulder blades up and off of the mat. Beautiful. And we're back. Inhale. Exhale to lift. Still keeping that core nice and tight. The lower tummy should be feeling this. Actually, the whole core should be feeling this. The entire transverse abdominis. Inhale. Exhale to lift and reach long. Reach, reach, reach. And we're back. We're here for 2. Inhale. Exhale. And last one. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. Reach, hold here. We'll take an inhale. We'll extend that left leg long and lower. And we're back. Nice. And bring the right. And back. Now, if you're feeling some challenge in this, I want you to place your hands behind your head and hold the head. If this might be still too challenging, don't extend that leg. I want you to just drop the knee. Keep the leg bent and just drop the thigh. It's really hard to talk, guys. My first time really talking on camera while doing Pilates. And it's a challenge. And drop. Again, still too much of a challenge. Just drop the head. Place the arms by the side and keep those knees bent. Totally up to you which one feels the best for your body at this moment. Remember, it's probably still morning for you guys if you're doing this one. And we're here for 2. Lift those shoulder blades, curl up higher. And 1. The knees to the chest, relax the head and chest, and breathe. Let's get some spinal rotation into this 10-minute workout. Place your hands behind your head, bring your knees into tabletop. This time we'll bring our opposite elbow to our opposite leg and extend the right leg long. Really lift that shoulder blade up, come back to center, inhale, exhale as you rotate that spine, touching the elbow to the knee. Back to center. Keep the shoulders lifted and curled up. Inhale and breathe. Exhale and breathe. Nice. Feel this in your obliques. Keep lifted. And 3. Keep those hips both heavy into the mat. We're just lifting the shoulder blades up. And we're here for 2. Center. And 2. Last one. Rotate, 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 hold. And come back to your center. And last one on that left side. Rotate and hold. Bring the feet down to the ground. Place your arms out into the shape of a T. Bring your knees to the left and your eyes to the right. Getting a nice spinal stretch. And come back to center. Inhale here and exhale as your knees drop down to the ground. Feel that deeper stretch. And we'll come back to center. Place your arms by your side, feet are hip width distance apart. We're gonna go into some bridges just to end this. Press your palms into the mat. And I want your pelvis to be slightly tucked. And I want you to curl the tailbone up until you come into your high bridge. So we're here. I want you to reach those knees slightly forward. Yes, you should feel some more activation in your quads and in your glutes. We'll take an inhale. Careful not to pop the ribs up. I want you to keep the ribs still down. So it's a nice, flat, straight wall. We'll take an inhale. We'll roll the spine down. Bra strap comes down first, and your glutes should be the last to hit. So I'm gonna raise my hand so you can see what it looks like. Tuck the tailbone. Bring the body high into that bridge. Nice. Inhale here. Exhale. Bra strap. C-curve that spine all the way down to the mat. Inhale. Exhale to lift, 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 lift. And bring it all the way back down. We'll come all the way up, and I want you to roll everything back down. Actually, lift your arms with me. Inhale, exhale, roll all the way up. Again, reach those knees forward. Whew, and back down. Beautiful. Reset that pelvis. Inhale. Round all the way up. I'm sure you guys look really good doing this. And roll all the way down. I want to start adding in some affirmations into my videos. And so we're going to use today to add in an affirmation. I want you to repeat out loud. I am strong. I am capable of doing anything that I put my mind to. I am beautiful. Woo, make sure you breathe. Lift. I am loved. And bring it all the way down. Ooh, repeat out loud. I am very smart. I'm intelligent. Okay? Don't let nobody tell you different, okay? And bring it all the way down. We have two more. We inhale. You should be feeling the tops of your glutes and underneath your glutes. Again, if you're not feeling this, I want you to reach those knees forward and maintain that reach. And down. This is supposed to be 10 minutes. I think we're probably at like 12. And bring it all the way up. We hold here. I want tiny pulses for 10 and 9. Woo! 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3, and 2. Last one. Hold up. Squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Bring the arms down. Bring the arms up. Keep squeezing those glutes. And down. And up. If you're doing this in the morning, I know your body is awake right now. Nice. Reach the shoulders away from your ears as you lower the hands. And up. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. And drop, drop, drop. Ooh. Come up to a seated position. Just sitting up nice and tall. Right? I want your spine to be nice, stacked and straight. Almost as if you're sitting up against a wall. Just bring our arms out to the side. And I want you to cross your arms. What? And I want you to just cross it over and stretch that shoulder. Drop the shoulder. Open up the arms. Bring them back. Open up the chest. Look back and a nice back extension. Drop the shoulders. And cross the other arm. My mic might be getting hit, so if you hear any push, 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 it's the mic. Reach, drop the shoulder for a deeper stretch. Open up those arms, and you are done for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Woo, my core is warmed up, my glutes are warmed up, and so are my arms. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for tuning in.